Have you ever had a movie idea so vivid you could almost see it? A futuristic city, a magical forest, an epic adventure? What if I told you that you no longer need a Hollywood studio, an expensive camera, or a film crew to make it real? Today, you are the director. With just a simple idea, you can generate stunning, cinematic quality videos. You can create breathtaking images, stretch them into full movie scenes, and even compose a custom copyright-free soundtrack to match. And you can do it all in one place. This is ToMoviee AI, the platform that's turning imagination into cinema. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything it can do, step by step. And we're not just talking about it, we're going to build a short film sequence together right now. Stick with me, because once you see this in action, you'll realize that movie making is now faster, easier, and more accessible than ever before. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and search for ToMoviee AI. Once you're on the home page, click on ToMoviee Studio. Go ahead and log in with your Google, Facebook, or another account. The great thing is that ToMoviee gives all new users 100 free credits to start, and then tops you up with 30 more credits every single day. This means you can always experiment and create without worrying about costs. The homepage is your creative dashboard. You can see what other people are making and explore different categories like video, image, and music. We're going to start with the cornerstone of any visual story, the image. Let's create the opening shot for our mini movie. Click on Image Generation. You'll see a prompt box. This is where you describe the scene you want to create. You can be simple, but for the best results, I recommend being detailed. Let's imagine we're making a sci-fi fantasy film. I'm going to type this prompt in. Watch how specific I get. A breathtaking matte painting of a mystical alien jungle at night. Giant, bioluminescent plants and flowers cast a neon glow on the ancient moss-covered trees. In the distance, two moons hang in a star-filled sky. Cinematic, hyper-detailed, 8K. See that? I've described the subject, the lighting, and the style. Now let's choose our aspect ratio. For that widescreen movie feel, 16:9 is perfect. I'll also select turbo mode to get it done faster. You can select up to 4 images, and this will only cost us 8 credits. Let's hit generate. And there we have it. Wow, look at these options. The AI gives you a few variations. This one here, this is exactly what I was picturing. The colors are vibrant, the image is incredibly sharp, and it feels like a real place. We have our world. Now, let's make this beautiful image breathe. This is where the magic really begins. I'll select our image and click on Image to Video. ToMoviee needs to know how the scene should move. I'll add a short, simple prompt describing the motion. The glowing plants gently pulse, and a soft mist drifts across the forest floor. But we can take it a step further. We can add camera movements. See these options? Zoom in, pan left, rotate, and even handheld options. To create a sense of discovery, I'm going to select a zoom in. This will make it feel like we're entering this mystical world. This step uses 20 credits, but it's what turns a picture into a movie scene. Let's click generate. Look at that. It's alive. The movement is so smooth and natural. In just a few seconds, we've transformed a static image into a dynamic, professional-looking opening shot. Our clip is 5 seconds long. That's a great start, but stories need to unfold. This brings me to my absolute favorite feature, Video Extend. We can literally continue the scene. I'm going to take the clip we just made and write a new prompt for what happens next. As the camera zooms in, a small glowing creature with large eyes cautiously peeks out from behind one of the giant mushrooms. You see what we're doing? We are directing the narrative, shot by shot. You can extend your video from 5 seconds to 10, then 15, and keep building your story for as long as you want. The more detailed your prompts, the more cinematic your results will be. There it is. The creature appeared. We've just added a character and a new element to our story without any complex editing. We are literally building a full scene from scratch. Of course, no movie is complete without sound. Let's add music. ToMoviee has an incredible auto BGM tool. I'm going to describe the mood I want for our scene. A mysterious and enchanting orchestral soundtrack with gentle piano notes, twinkling chimes, and a sense of wonder. Click Generate, and the AI instantly composes a unique, copyright-free piece of music for you. You can download it and use it in any project without worrying about legal issues. It adds so much emotion and atmosphere to the scene. You can detail your prompt further specifically to include music when the creature appears as well. And if you need more, there's also a full audio generator where you can create longer, 90-second tracks. We started with an image, but you can also start with just words. Let's try the text-to-video feature for a different scene. Let's go to video generation. And this time, I'll type in a new idea. I'll even include the camera direction right in the prompt. A high-speed chase with flying cars through the neon-lit canyons of a futuristic city at night. Camera follows from a low-angle, cinematic pan. We've described the action, the setting, and the camera work. Let's hit generate. And just like that, a completely new, action-packed scene is ready. From a single sentence, we get a cinematic shot that would have taken a team of animators days to create. It's not a flawless outcome by any means, but still a decent generation. And don't worry about running out of creative fuel. Remember, you get 30 free credits every day for creating. Plus, if you invite friends with your referral link, you both get 50 bonus credits when they sign up. So, let's think about what we just did. We went from a simple idea to a fully realized movie scene. We generated a unique world, animated it, extended it to tell a story, and added a professional, custom-made soundtrack. All of this was done right here, from a web browser. No expensive software, no complex skills, and no big team. All you need is your imagination. With ToMoviee AI, you can finally be the director you were always meant to be. If you found this helpful, and want to see more awesome AI tools like this, don't forget to subscribe to AI with TechSnap and drop a comment below. Let me know what kind of cinematic world you're going to create first. Now go bring your story to life.